Alright, Coda. Time so we rig up the old ice fishing sled. Big Yamaha. Ooh, we need a key. This old Yamaha hasn't been ran in a week or so. Or 2 maybe. 3. I don't know. I'm gonna bet 4th pull. It seems to be what it likes. So nice. Idles better than that pile does. I say that pile. It's not really a bad sled. Typical. Let's see if we can make one of these mounts. Doesn't need to be anything special. All I really want to do is be able to haul stuff up onto the back side of the property. Just to do some dumb, pointless cook on a campfire stuff? I don't really know. That's what's been striking me lately. Alright. This looks like it would go over that. I think this is still going to be the ticket. I had this thing out like a week ago. I was trying to put it on that Ski-Doo. Hard to do stuff with gloves on. I don't know if I'm actually going to make any sort of YouTube channel or, I don't know, Facebook stuff maybe. It's all thought. What do you think, Coda? Will I look like an idiot if I start posting myself online? Anybody gonna watch our random off-the-wall shenanigans of small upstate New York stuff? Good enough for me. Alright. The screws won't come up missing. Put this back before I set it down and lose it. Ends up like the rest of the garage. Pretty nice old sled. Considering I picked her up for a couple $100. Me and my dad went through it, cleaned the carbs. Had to clean out a couple years worth of a squirrel or something living underneath the hood. Filled right up to the expansion chamber and top of the head with pine cones and random assorted nuts. But after that, she's a ripper. Got her registered, insured. It could even be out on the trail. Not that I really use it for that, but nice to know I could when that thing's broke. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Really wish I could have mounted it, but this slot really didn't fit over the bar that way, but oh well. That's clamped on there so hard I probably gouged that plastic piece real bad. It is what it is. Maybe I'll just never take it off. Organized. Now the next hard thing is some sort of pin. Is this it? Oh, this is gonna be dumb. Oh, but it's gonna work. Ooh. Still dumb. This will work better. Oh, this is about to be glorious, Coda Bear. You're gonna love it. Coda, you're alright. Don't run away, buddy. Just a greasy triple. Greasy. Oh yeah. Oh no. Fuck. All right. Scared the shit out of me. Couple of crackheads. Yeah, a couple of crackheads. Well, mostly deal. Huh, let's see what that does. This is the pin that was in it. Will it hold still? There it is. Oh, so that needs some loving. Hey homie, check it out. It's back. Yeah, this
The otter too.
the side deck here's broke a little bit, but
Oh, yeah.
for what I want to do, it's hard to get up on the hill right now, and I've been bored being laid off, so I'm gonna use it to fucking throw all my random stuff in there and tote some wood up on the hill. I don't know. Go up to the camper and have a little fire up there and cook something.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that's my new plan. Well, I think my dog went home.
Alright, Duke, let's put you back in. You're not bugging me while I'm trying to doctor this piece of butt.
Yeah, it's home. You are too. You beat me here.